The video is all about completing neurophysiology in less than 1 hour. In Marrow, neurophysiology has these chapters. The first chapter is sensory receptors. How we will cover it less than 1 hour? We will try to do the important topics that are important for NEET PG. We are not doing it for first year students. They can try it, but I'll try to complete only the important chapter, important points that may come in NEET PG. So we'll start with sensory receptors.
This is my concise notes for sensory receptors.
Neurophysiology has been broadly classified into sensory physiology, motor physiology, and higher mental functions. In sensory physiology, there are efferent, that is ascending, and motor efferent, that is descending. In sensory physiology, there are two important group of senses, that is general senses and special senses. In general senses, we also call it somatic senses. There are touch, pain, temperature. In specific senses, special senses जो कि skull में होता है, it's vision, hearing, olfaction, taste and balance. Okay. And sensory control is bottom up control system. See, like from skin receptor, touch pain, touch pain was in general senses. Primary efferent is there, that is first order neuron. It goes to spinal cord, from there thalamus, from there sensory cortex, right? And from spinal cord to thalamus, it is secondary afferent, that is second order neurons. And here please remember that from spinal cord to thalamus, spinothalamic tract, there are two spinothalamic tracts. One is dorsal column pathway and second is anterolateral pathway. Next come the classifications of receptor. It is not that important. Mechano, noxy, thermo, proprio, extero, intero, telereceptors. This is not that important. Receptor properties like modality, location, intensity, duration. I don't think this is important. Here comes the general sense receptors. In general sense receptor, I have concised it. Like in general receptors, there are two types, superficial and deep. In superficial, it's Mesner's and Merkel. In deep, this is Pacinian and Ruffney's. Messner is present in lip and fingertips. Merkel is present in touch, for touch and pressure. Pacinian largest and encapsulated for deep touch. Ruffney's in joint spaces. You can see the diagram, Messner's, Merkel, Pacinian and Ruffney's. So this is done. In next is pain receptor. We have studied in classification of free nerve endings, but here we'll just revise it quickly. Alpha and A is delta nerve fiber, and C for sir, that is slow, right? It is slow, but let's start it. Alpha delta, A delta, sorry, I'm again and again saying alpha delta, A delta. It is first pain. A is first, na, so first pain, fast pain. C, sir, slow pain. This is myelinated, this is unmyelinated. Okay, and this is fast, and as we said, it is slow, and this is fast due to glutamate. I don't think anything is important here. So we have almost completed the first chapter.